Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to merge cells in Microsoft Excel. You can merge cells two or more. Okay, here I would like to merge this cell, this first cell to I up to I would like to merge. So first of all, you go to select the cells that you would like to merge. Here I would like to merge this first cell up to H. Okay, I got selected. Select the cells first, and then you will have merge and center here. Uh, uh, this is the button, and yes, you can use it. Okay, it is merged and centered. Okay. I now press Ctrl Z and it is undone. Also, you can use shortcut key. For that, first select the cells that you would like to merge, and then you can press Alt H, then M, then C, and it will merge and center. Okay, so shortcut for merging and centering is Alt H, M, and C. You have to press Alt H, then release H, and then you have to press M, and then you have to press C. Okay, so in this way you can easily you can easily do merging several cells. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.